In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain from GoDaddy to HostGator and set up WordPress. Whether you're launching a new site or migrating an existing one, we'll guide you through each step clearly and effectively. First, let's start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Use your credentials and you'll be taken to the dashboard. From there, locate the My Products section where your domains are listed. Click on the domain you want to transfer to HostGator. This will take you to the domain settings page. What we're focusing on here is DNS management. So go ahead and find the option labeled DNS or Manage DNS. This is where you'll be able to configure where your domain's traffic is directed. Next, you need to change the name servers to HostGators. In the DNS management page, you'll see the current name servers provided by GoDaddy. You'll want to replace these with the name servers provided by HostGator. Generally, these name servers would look something like ns1.hostgator.com and ns2.hostgator.com, but you should confirm their specifics on your HostGator account or welcome email. Once you've entered these new name servers, save your changes. It's important to remember that updating name servers can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours due to DNS propagation. Moving on, log into the HostGator cPanel. You should have received your cPanel login details when you first set up your HostGator account. Once logged in, if you haven't already added the domain to your account, you'll need to do so. Look for a section called Domains or Add-on Domains. Enter the domain name you're transferring from GoDaddy and complete any additional fields or settings as prompted. This makes sure that HostGator recognizes your domain and is prepared to serve content to it. Now it's time to install WordPress or point your domain to an existing WordPress hosting setup. If you're installing a fresh copy of WordPress, navigate to the Software section in the HostGator cPanel and find an option called Quick Install or Softaculous. These tools simplify the WordPress installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install WordPress on your newly added domain. Finally, you might need a little patience as DNS propagation can take some time. This is essentially the internet updating itself about where your domain is hosted after the name servers have been changed. To test your site once the DNS changes have propagated, simply enter your domain name in a web browser. If everything went smoothly, you should see